Okay, so we're back to resizing and compressing videos. So the resizing conversion has been completed. So now we can click download now. So if you notice, it says conversion completed once it's finished resizing. Then we can click download now, and that's going to download the new resized video. Okay, so let's wait for it to do that. All right, so now let's have a look at our download to see how large that video is. Let's see if I can find it. I can find it somewhere. Right, okay, so there you go. So originally the size, Yoast plugin for Shopify overview of how to use it, it was very big. And then after resizing, it's quite a bit smaller, only 20 kilobytes. All right, so now let's go back. So then we want to compress it. So again, we go to, if you look in the URL, onlineconverter.com/compress-video. So it says compress video. Let's choose the file. Let's click on choose file. And now we're going to go to the video that we just downloaded that's been resized. Okay, let's choose that one. Okay, now if you notice, it says the source video size is 19.54 megabytes, and the desired video size is 15.63 megabytes. Okay, so let's do that. The online converter has decided that's how much we want to compress it. Audio quality, auto, and then we click compress. And again, it just does its thing. And we just wait. So I'm going to stop the video here and we'll check back in once it's done.